The 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 is the most powerful muscle car in the world. It reaches 60 miles per hour in 1.66 seconds and delivers a G-force acceleration of 2 Gs, as well as 1,025 total horsepower at 6,500 RPM and 945 pound-feet of torque at 4,200 RPM on E85 ethanol blend. On regular E10 fuel, it produces 900 horsepower and 810 pound-feet of torque. The Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 is history's first ever 8-second factory muscle car, reaching quarter-mile speeds in an NHRA certified 8.91 seconds at 151.17 miles per hour. This speedy performance earned an NHRA violation letter ban for running a sub-9-second quarter-mile without a safety cage or parachute. Not to mention the numerous upgrades it features, like a modified 3-liter supercharger with 105mm throttle body and 3.02-inch pulley, all new hot isostatic pressing processed housings, larger 240mm ring and pinion pressure cast new case, new mountings and rear axle housings upgraded by 53%, bigger rear cover mount fasteners with increased case depth, 30% stronger prop shaft, Thompson ET Street R drag radials for more tractive force, revised rear suspension for an increased contact patch, fully upgraded power components, and high-flow fuel rail capable of providing 164 gallons of fuel per hour. The Challenger SRT Demon 170 comes with red keys only that determine its horsepower output based on percentage of ethanol detected in the fuel used. No wonder it's considered the most powerful muscle car. And if you're hunting for weight savings, look no further than its optional LAC Enterprises 2-piece lightweight carbon fiber wheels, which offer 157 pounds lighter than other models. You also get innovative SRT Power Chiller, which diverts air conditioning system to cool down the supercharger intercooler for optimal air intake temperature along with drive modes, including updated drag mode, plus customizable settings for transmission, suspension, steering, keeping options open when making tracks down the streets. You can choose from 14 exterior color options, plus unique reworking of original Demon badge featuring a new yellow Demon eye, plus exclusive serialized instrument panel badge available in 4 interior choices, including standard lightweight cloth with driver seat only, optional full cloth interior, premium black Napa leather and Alcantara or demonic red Laguna leather, so you're sure never to fall behind on style points either. Powering up this fire-breathing monster is the Direct Connection Hellephant C 170 crate engine, part of the Direct Connection family of Hellephant crate engines unveiled last year at SEMA. The upgrades include a 3-liter supercharger that pumps out 40% more boost pressure than its Hellcat Redeye widebody counterpart and a 105mm diameter throttle body for 33% higher airflow volume. It also has fuel injectors that can provide 164 gallons per hour, significantly more than the average US showerhead, plus a fast-response ethanol sensor integrated into the fuel injector rail. The Challenger SRT Demon 170 also features a TorqueFlite 8 HP 98-speed automatic transmission with an upgraded output flange to accommodate an even larger diameter and stronger prop shaft. In addition, it's equipped with nitride-coated intake valves and upgraded valve guides and seat materials to assist with ethanol compatibility, as well as aerospace specification high-strength steel studs with steel inserts integrated into aluminum cylinder heads for 38% greater clamping load compared to the Hellcat Redeye widebody or 2018 SRT Demon. However, unlocking maximum horsepower requires more than just top-notch engineering. You need ethanol in your tank too. A recalibrated powertrain control module optimizes fueling and spark timing for both premium and high ethanol blended fuel, prompting gas pump icons in various colors within your vehicle instrument cluster when different ethanol percentages are detected in your tank. When 20% is detected, you'll see white. Over 65%, blue indicates you've hit max power potential at 1,025 horsepower. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.